this is day 4 of my 31 days of Halloween. I hope you're having a great spooky season so far. And today I am bringing you a spooky unboxing. Now today's unboxing is from the candle company, the spooky candle company, Underworld Connection. Now, this is owned and operated by a YouTuber by the name of Leah Mouse. She has 2 YouTube channels, one called Leah Mouse, the other one called Leah Mouse Vlog. And this is her candle company that I think she said she started 10 years ago or something like that. Maybe a little bit longer ago, but yeah, but it's she was doing it all year round for a bit, and now she's made it kind of like a spooky seasonal candle shop, which I think is really, really cool. And yeah, so I can't wait to see, see what's in here. I can't wait to kind of smell the candles too, because they all looking like they smell absolutely delicious. So yeah, and I've bought from her before too. I've gotten her Nosferatu candle and her Gothic Dreams candle before, but yeah, I can't wait to get just kind of see what's in here as far as her new Halloween seasonal candles. So let's crack this open, shall we? All right, so I just opened it. Because she packed it so well, I didn't want you guys to be, watching me kind of struggle with the box. But let us open this lovely box of treasures and see what's inside. All right, so, woo, love it. Okay, so I ended up getting a spooky candle pack, which was build your own candle pack. I got the jack-o'-lantern candles, the 2-pack of that. And I also got their Halloween Avenue candle and her Crypt Cookies candle. So that was just on my little list here. And look at this. Look at how adorable this package, like the way she packs it. She does such a phenomenal job. Look at that. You can definitely tell that a lot of care goes into it, that she, truly loves what she does, making these candles. And yeah, look at that. I almost don't want to unpack it. When somebody does this good of a job, I almost don't want to unpack it. But yeah, but we're going to, just because, it came in the mail and I do want to use these candles. So, but yeah, but let's just take a moment just to admire that beautiful packing job for just another second before I ruin it by digging into it. So, all right, so now time to ruin it by digging into it. But she does use these little peanut packing shells, which are actually very good for sending stuff like these candles in. Okay, so this, I would assume, is one of the jack-o'-lantern candles, but we shall see. Okay. Yeah, so the jack-o'-lantern candle pack that I got were, because she gives you a few different options on the website, which is really cool. But I got, I chose for my jack-o'-lantern 2-pack the maple pecan. They both look the same, so I could. Yes, so that's maple pecan, and I'll just show you the other one, even though they both look the same. But look at that. That is gorgeous. I love her labels. And let us give this a smell. Oh, look, it's all nice and swirly. I love it. So, woo, oh my gosh. No, that was a good woo. That was a good woo. I know that sounded questionable, but no, that was a good woo. The maple pecan, it's so, oh my gosh, you can really, it's not just a faint little smell. You can really smell it. So, woo, oh man, I love it. Oh gosh, this is gonna be so yummy to burn on a spooky fall night. I can't wait. So that's the maple pecan, my little jack-o'-lantern 2-pack. So where am I gonna put everything? I'll just put them right here. So, all right, and And this guy right here, oh look, I love just the orange wrapping, and yeah, she just does a phenomenal job with packing this. Okay, so, all right, so this is the Halloween Avenue candle, and there's some cool little haunted houses on the sides, and that's what the label looks like. And obviously it's a purple candle, and it's and the scent is autumn maple pumpkin. So yeah, so let us give this guy a smell now, shall we? Oh man, I loved the maple pecan, and ooh, look, there's like cool little like purple and black swirl. You can't really go wrong with that. But ooh, I love it. You definitely smell the maple and the pumpkin too. And there's like a slight hint of like the autumn, like a smell of like autumn leaves, autumn air. Ooh, I love it. Oh man. Well, like it's gonna be so hard to decide which one to burn first. But yeah, but that is the Halloween Avenue candle. And oh look, she sent a bunch of little Halloween treats. Look at that. So let us see what all is in here before we move on to the rest of the candles. All right, so yeah, it's like a bunch of Halloween candy. And oh, and look, a little, is this like a pencil topper or something like that? But it's like a little black cat head, and it's squishy. I love it. I enjoy it. And let's see, and we got, ooh, so spooky sample. Ooh, Broomstick Boulevard. Oh, this is a sample of one of her candle warmers called Broomstick Boulevard. I got Halloween Boulevard, so yeah, she sent me a sample of Broomstick Boulevard. Let's just have a smell of this. So, all right. So I'm not sure what this is supposed to. Oh, it's a little like tea light candle. It's not a candle warmer. It's a tea light candle, but yeah, it has that cool little green and black. Yeah, it smells kind of similar to the maple pecan, but there's something else in it too that I can't quite put my finger on. It smells really good though, and it's like, yeah, cool. Thank you for that sample. I can't wait to give that a try. And a Rice Krispie treat, and looks like a Kit Kat bar. So and they're all Halloween candy, and this little squishy black cat head. So yeah, that makes me happy. I enjoy that. Thank you so much. So now I love the purple tissue paper. So now here is, what else did I, oh yeah, the crypt cookies. So here's crypt cookie, the label, and then there's crypt cookie on the side, and this scent, it's chocolate chip cookie and buttercream mint. So yeah, I was sold on the buttercream mint, but yeah, that's what that looks like. Ooh, oh my gosh, yes, I can definitely smell the buttercream mint. Yeah, it smells like a cookie, like mint chocolate chip ice cream almost. Oh my, yeah, absolutely delicious. So I could like seriously just eat this candle. But but yeah, so now here's another. All right, so this one is a Ghostly Whisper. This was, I think, part of the Build Your Own 3-pack that I did. So Ghostly Whispers, and there's that. That's the label, and this smells like pumpkin pecan waffles. I got a lot of pecan ones, but I'm not complaining because they smell delicious. But there you go. That's what that looks like. Yeah. Love it. Definitely, yeah, it smells like a pumpkin waffle with like even though there's not maple syrup in it, it kind of smells like like waffles, like pumpkin waffles with like maple syrup almost. And but yeah, and definitely you get the pecan smell in it too. But yes, so that's Ghostly Whispers. And the other candle from my Build Your Own 3-pack. I got the Horror Movie Marathon, and this smells like fall leaves, popcorn, and spices. So that's the side label. And then Horror Movie Marathon, that's that label. And I did want one that smelled like popcorn, so we'll see in just a second. But yeah, but that is so adorable. The pink. Oh, I can smell the popcorn all the way from here. Oh my goodness, that's strong, but a good kind of strong. Ooh, I love it. Yeah, you definitely, you smell the pumpkin, and it's actually blended quite nicely with like the fall leaves and the spice scent. Yeah, definitely, it's definitely giving popcorn by a fire hearth, and you know, with the fall leaves wafting in through the window as you watch a horror movie. So yes, oh my gosh, yeah, she really knows what she's doing, like with her scents, I will say. So, and all the Halloween confetti in here, gotta love it. All right, last but not least, Killer Pumpkin Crunch. There you go. And these jack-o'-lanterns, love me some jack-o'-lanterns. And this is Cinnamon Pumpkin Cookie. So that's what that looks like there. Ooh, yeah, definitely smell the pumpkin, because I did want like a pumpkin scented one too, but you definitely smell the pumpkin. And I do get the cinnamon and everything, so yeah, it's a very nice like pumpkin cinnamony type of, it's a nice fall candle. It's not necessarily like a spooky candle, even though it's called Killer Pumpkin Crunch, but I would say this is definitely, if you're looking just for like a nice fall candle, just like a general fall candle, this is actually a really good scent. And there's like cool little spooky jack-o'-lanterns on on the label too. But whoo, yeah, I could like, oh man, I could like smell this all day. But all right, but yes, I'm very, very happy with Underworld Connection and all of my purchases and everything that I got from her and everything. And I do encourage you to check out Underworld Connection. She opens, I think she said she like her seasonal candle store. Like I said, it's only throughout the Halloween season, so you can only get these candles now. And I think she said like they're all like limited edition candles, so like once they're gone, they're gone. So if you want to get your candles, get them right now. And like I said, I don't think you'll be disappointed, especially if you love spooky fall candles and, you know, you want to add like a little extra, spooky flair to your Halloween night and just have some really, really good smelling candles that are handmade, that are made from a small business, because you know I love to support the small businesses. So get yourself some candles from Underworld Connection. I will have a link, and there's Halloween Hideaway and the maple pecan. So yeah, and this is another good one. The maple pecan, it's another good one. Like if you just want like a basic like fall candle, not necessarily spooky, because the cinnamon pumpkin cookie does still have spooky jack-o'-lanterns on them. But this maple pecan, it's just like your basic kind of fall maple pecan candle. But like I can't wait to burn it. Oh man, like I just can't wait to burn any of them. So get yourself some candles from Underworld Connection. Open, I think she said until right before Halloween or right after Halloween. You might want to check her website just to make sure. But I would scoop up some candles now and support a great small business, great handmade candles. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is my 31 days of Halloween, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. All right, so take care, and you have yourself a great rest of your day, afternoon, evening, whenever you are watching this. All right, take care. Bye.